Graham. Oh my gosh. We're here for pancakes. Vicky's getting pancakes. Michaela's getting pancakes. I want that pancake. Come back. You getting pancakes too? You getting pancakes? Well, it says right there, specializes in pancakes with shops throughout Japan and overseas. That's right. That's right. You tape that. You take that picture, girl. Look at that. It's stunning. Oh my gosh. Looks like a little cloud on her plate. Vicky, yours?
Oh, yes.
Oh.
It's Julie.
I think she got a little bit more cloud than you did.
Oh, yeah. I really think
Just a tiny bit more. Oh, don't shake it. Don't shake it. We're shaking the table. Are you shaking the table on purpose to make it jiggle? Jiggle, jiggle.
yeah.
Ours is coming. Souffle. Arigatou gozaimashita. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, Sophie, look at this.
I'm not done yet.
You're not done. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh. Yes, honey, yes. Look at that. This is so cute. Is it good? You don't want to join our mukbang?
Oh, no. It's not a mukbang.
Oh, look at that. I am like waiting for her pancakes to just go bleh.
I know the butter.
Your turn? Ooh, yes, please. Oh, yeah. Oh,
baby.
all over, all over, all over. Not just one spot. All over. Oh, that looks so good. Ooh, go Sophie. A little bit of whipped cream. You want whipped cream? Yeah, a little bit of whipped cream. Oh, no. Ah. Is it good? I want a bite. See, that's perfect. That's perfect. 2 for you. 1 or okay.
Start over.
Okay. I was like, wait. I thought that was mine. She's eating mine.
No, really?
Yeah. I was like, okay, wait. Because I just wanted 1, but you're eating the 1? Okay. So 2 for me, 1 for you. Cool. Thank you. Man.
Aww.
You got a big old chunk missing now. You better give me 1 chunk later. All right, so Vicky tried to go for these on our Instagram account. It's not your fault, girl. It's a claw machine. You know they pick up and drop them if it's not payout. See, I can't even pick it up.
I know.
So I'm gonna try one more time. I promise, just $2, guys.
I'll stop her.
Yes, you will. Drag me away with my plushies. I got the barber cut down. $10. I can win it. Come on, come on. Ah.
Yeah.
All right, walk away. Nah. All right, guys, it's barber cut time. So, of course, we all know you can't win unless it's payout. I'm not gonna wait for payout. I am gonna slice it. I gotta, oh, okay. Because the blade wasn't gonna rest on it, so I had to stop it before. Hopefully it was payout, but no payout. So I gotta make sure. Oh, I did it again, didn't I? Darn it. Okay. So this is harder. If my aim is off. Maybe I should go for pom pom pudding. Let's go for pom pom pudding. There we go, that's better. Oh no, it's on the white part. No, we don't want it on the white part. We want it on the blade. Oh, okay, that's bad. My aim is off now. That's how I won these babies, by slicing. Come on. Nope, white part again. Darn you guys, my aim is off. I guess because I have the camera. Oh, I'm so sorry guys. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, so my kids are busy. All right, let's see if I can do this. I want to come back to the cinnamon roll. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Nope, I passed it. Oh. Oh, this is it. This is it. Come on, come on, come on. Nope. Darn it, you guys. I can't get it on the blade. Pudding. There we go. That's better. See, like that. That's what I have to do 5 more times. It's not going to be worth it, though, because it's taking me forever to get on the blade. My aim is off. Hi, honey. Nope. I got my melody. I got cinnamon roll. Yeah, they're right there. But I can't. Honey, can you help me? Can you help me tape? Yeah. Okay. Because I can't concentrate and tape at the same time. All right.
Right here?
Should I go for rainbow cinnamon roll or should I go for pom pom pudding?
Pom pom pudding.
Pom pudding? Yeah. Oh, you want? The rainbow cinnamon roll is harder because it's up close. If I can go from the back, it's easier.
Here, I'll go over here.
I don't like it so far. I wanted it on that one. Maybe we can ask him to put pom pom pudding up or my melody. Oh, no, there isn't. Not in the big one. Okay, I'm messing up. I don't want to. I need something closer. When it's too far away, it's harder for me to. Darn it!
You almost had it.
I almost had it. Nope. Oh, you guys, I had it and I lost my touch. Darn, darn, darn. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now it's working. Oh, all right. Get it. Yeah, that's mine. Oh, one more. One more. Yes, that's mine. Oh, come on. What? Come on. What?
You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
Okay, here we go. That's it.
No.
Come on, cut it already for crying out.
Hallelujah.
No.
Wait, it's right there.
It's right there. Yeah. Yes, thank you. Hey, arigatou gozaimasu. Yay, we got all 3. So Michaela can hold pom pom pudding.
I'm holding my melody.
And you can hold my melody.
Nobody's holding cinnamon.
Nobody's holding 4 cinnamon roll. I'll hold 4 cinnamon roll. Come on, cinnamon roll. Aww. Oh well. It's so cute. Alright guys, we're in Chinatown, Yokohama. Ooh, we're getting some dumplings. I think we should get the number 1. Or maybe get the number 2. It comes with 6 instead of 4. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Oh, wow.
Which one is mine?
Oh, alright, we got some sesame buns. Alright, we got some dumplings. Oh, careful, it's juicy. Juice will come out. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Is it yummy?
Oh, wow, it's
So
so good.
good? Okay. Is it hot?
Hot.
It's hot? Okay.
Oh, wow.
Is it good? Mmm. Oh, look at all that juice come out. Ooh, soup. Is it good, Vicky?
Oh my gosh, so good. The green one's so much hotter than the white one.
The green one's so much hotter than the white one. Temperature hot?
Temperature hot,
Oh, temperature hot.
yeah. It's very hot.
Okay. Look at all that soup coming out of it. Oh my goodness.
So the green one's seafood.
The green was seafood?
Yeah, I taste shrimp.
Oh, good job. All right, guys, want to get this win. Hopefully this win on camera. Come on, Corila, come on. Get under her. Bring her up. Yes, yes. No! No, the spikes. No! No, 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 no. Over. Tap, over tap. Come on. Come on. Bring her, bring her. Come on, please, please, please. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Don't bring her back. Ah, oh my gosh. I was about to say, thank goodness I am getting a free folder every $5 I spend because I don't get a free churn. And even though you're so cute, you are taking forever for me to win. Ooh, ooh, oh no, is that gonna be a problem? Yeah, it's gonna be a problem. I didn't get under her. Darn it! Did I last? Yay! Oh my gosh! Oh, finally! Hello! It's so cute! Alright, Wolfman, you're next. Ooh, ooh, I got it in the tag, but what's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Hold on to it? No. Come on! Come on, yes, yes, yes! Woo! It's moving, it's moving, it's moving! Okay. Oh, 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 that still moved him! Oh no! Please, please! Come forward! Oh! Smush them together. Yes, yes, yes. Ah! And lift it forward.
It should, right?
Ah! Okay, I'll try from here then. Over the spike. That's all we need. Yes, 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 yes. Should I stab it or should I do that again?
No, don't stab it.
Don't stab it?
It'll just stab into the bite.
No, don't go backwards. Don't go backwards. Don't go backwards. Come on. No.
But you got holders for days.
Yeah, I got ha 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 ha. I really didn't. I swear I didn't want to stab him. I'm not going back enough. Okay. Please just come forward. Come forward. Come forward. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, good. Yes. Okay. Now I can leave. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna get some bao. It's bao time. Kore, sanmai, and kore. Hi. Oh yeah. Okay. Here, this one's yours. Hold on to it. And this one's for me, Vicky, and Michaela. Yum! It's like a softball. Yeah, babe. Ooh, hot. All the fixins?
All the fixins.
Can you see it? Can you see the duck?
Yeah, it's on the bottom.
It's on the bottom?
Yeah.
Ooh, Peking duck.
This is the important part.
Oh, yum.
Oh,
Ooh, we're feasting tonight. Got that big old bow. Do you want a plate? I could put a plate.
Oh, no,
Or,
don't worry.
nope, that's yours. That one is yours.
Yeah. Looks like the old man.
I want this one. And Peking duck. Delish.
I've been left out. Yeah, that's what it is. I've been left out.
What are you guys making?
We're gonna make wraps.
Go for it. Go for it. Go for it.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get out of the kitchen.